welcome back to LJ Gamers. Today we are playing Shark Bite, and Lena is glitched. It doesn't show her duck on her screen nor my screen.
Yeah,
and she's just sitting like
yeah,
that.
because I sat in a duck.
I'm gonna go buy
on
a
the
duck.
top, and I don't know
Where's the
how.
duck?
I know.
I want to buy a duck. Oh, I'm gonna buy a pet duck.
I don't. Okay, we're not. None of us have the. Oh. Wait, where's my unicorn boat? I thought I had a unicorn boat
Yes.
in
Oh
my
my God,
iPad account. You
Lena.
want an Easter bunny?
Here, I invited you if you want to join mine.
Thanks, Jackson. He's right here.
No, that's the wrong one. One up. Right there. Click. Okay. Lena, you didn't make it because of your slow reflexes. No, you have slow reflex. Oh, yep,
I
you're
want an Easter bunny boat.
you're
Jackson.
still glitched.
Jackson,
What?
I was right before. I was. Yours.
I
was
know,
on
but
the
it took
bottom.
you 5 years to press it. Okay.
I'm glitched.
Okay. In case if the shark gets my boat, then I'm just gonna sit in my ducky
I'm
floaty.
gonna die.
So if you guys don't know what the game Shark Bite is, it's a game where you go on a boat and you just try to survive.
Yeah, but you can pick your boat.
And a person is the shark and they try to eat you.
No.
It's pretty self-explanatory. And every time you win, you get like teeth and stuff. Teeth are basically coins. That's how I bought this rubber ducky. Ooh, and I like running into these wood ships
Oh
because
my
they
gosh,
like get
I'm
knocked
knocking
over.
up.
Let's go, boys. Oh.
Oh, the shark is right there.
Where? Bro, drive then. Okay, I am turning around to get that boat. Oh, another boat. The one thing about the pirate ship is that it rocks like crazy. Oh, there's the edge of the map. And its turns are like
The Easter
super
bunny
dead.
face. The Easter bunny
Oh,
face.
you're
No. Wait. How
The shark has been killed.
How am
Well,
I in the egg?
that was easy. That was only like 2
I was
minutes.
in the water.
Okay. Oh yeah, there I am, and there's Lena, Princess Lena Gamer 109, Jack Gamer 109. Friend us,
Finally!
and subscribe.
Oh!
What?
Look at me.
What? Oh yeah, you're not in your. Burn. Why am I? Guys. But I want to sit. I want to sit.
You really want?
How come my like controls are so weird?
There's
when
a
I'm
rubber
in the-
ducky on the top that you can sit on, and he's way better than yours.
Oh jeez, I fell. Don't be the shark. Oh yeah.
Oh, I love this shark.
I can't. I'm glitched. Hey Lena, join me.
No.
But I'm in the Santa Claus thing.
Oh.
It goes super fast.
Cool.
Okay.
I'm going in my white boat.
Your white boat sucks.
Hey.
My Santa Claus thing is gone. And my pirate ship.
Jax, you know what would be funny if we had the Santa Claus
Bacon.
sleigh and we
I'm really
and we
glitched.
chose the Santa Claus, we would get to be dressed up as Santa Claus.
Okay, I am officially like glitched.
I am
The
so
shark has been
scared.
released.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I've never been.
I hate it. What is wrong with you, Santa sleigh? I can't even turn. I can't turn left. Oh yeah, I can. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Is that your white boat?
Yeah, bro.
Don't
shoot me, you big fat buck.
Hey. No, don't shoot me.
Get out of my lodge.
Oops, wrong way. Got my whatever this is. Oh yeah, boys. Yeah, I am.
In the
I'm
bag.
shooting at you.
Lost on that bag.
I'm shooting at you.
Stop it.
Oh,
The shark.
there's a pirate ship. Let's run it over.
Okay. I'm gonna be nice.
And
Oh my
speed.
gosh! No, this Pete.
Oh,
This Pete knocked
what
me
is that
over.
called? A yacht.
Jax, can I get on your?
Where are you? Oh, I see you. I see you. I
This
see you.
Pete knocked me over.
Lena, the shark's right there. Get in. Get in. Oh my god. Get in.
No, Jackson, I'm not in.
Oh gosh, I can't.
He's gonna eat me, Jackson.
Lena, I'm coming. Where are you? Oh, there you
No,
are.
the fire just got
Get in my boat quick.
I can't.
You suck. Get in the boat.
I'm trying. You give me.
Why are you so zoomed out? You stupid. It's not funny. It's stupid.
Thank you.
I'm gonna die
Get away from
because
the
of you.
shark.
Oh my god.
Get away.
That was a sick shot. That was dope. Oh yeah, chicka boom boom.
Where's the shark? I'm gonna shoot him.
Oh yeah, Lena, get your gun out.
I have it out.
No, you don't. Oh yeah, you do. Oh,
You're the one that doesn't have your gun
well yeah, I'm driving.
out. Oh, I didn't.
I'm gonna hit the shark. I'm not supporting animal abuse. I swear. Okay, we are going. Where is the shark? It just jumped. I want this speedboat. Bye, sis. No!
Jackson.
Oh, dang it. Get me out of here, boys.
I was in love with you. See you later.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's get out of here.
The shark's gonna jump up over us.
If you see the shark, shoot it.
I'm gonna try to.
I don't like when it's night.
Why?
It's like,
Oh yeah, because you can't see.
I can't see anything.
I can't see. Oh. Why can't it always be morning? I want to zoom out, but I can't.
Because you don't know the controls. You press 2 fingers, and then, yeah, do 2 fingers, and then, oh my gosh, 2 fingers! Oh my gosh, what is wrong with you? No, dear, you need to change your camera angle. Learn the controls. Okay, what is that? Oh, it's a piece of a boat.
Dormant it.
But, oh my gosh, why are you so zoomed out? Look at that, stay right there. And you can use the arrow keys. Or WASD, I don't care. Oh, the shark's coming. Where is it? I saw the yellow circle.
What is the
Oh!
yellow circle?
Oh my gosh, it's right there. I'm gonna hit it. Where'd it go? Oh! Oh! Somebody survived the crash. Oh boy. Oh, look at that thing!
What thing?
It just jumped. Oh my gosh. Oh!
Get away.
Oh my gosh. Where is it? Oh!
Well, where is
Right.
it?
Come here, boy. Ooh. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly.
Is he
This
following
thing's
us?
fast.
You lost your present.
I'm following him. He's going under the island. Follow the circle. Oh,
Time's
we win.
up. Yes.
Oh, and he jumps.
The shark has been cute. I'm gonna jump off now. When I jumped off.
Oh.
How come my name's the tiniest?
Because it's so long.
You made it that way.
No, you said, I want princess to be in my name. Oh my
I said
gosh,
that.
like look at this. I'm so glitch.
Uh-huh.
Look at this. Can I not?
Okay. Well, you can get your rubber ducky boat off.
I can't though.
You can.
It's glitched. I regret buying this. Why is there a boat here? I can't even jump. Oh, the Titanic.
No, I hate the Titanic.
The Titanic's so fun.
Okay,
If I'm the shark, it's just like, get away.
It's rigged.
Oh, Ariana Grande.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
2 sharks.
2.
Leon
Yeah,
06Y.
Last time. Why are they so lucky?
You wanted to be the shark?
Yes. Oh my gosh, mine
Oh.
was Titanic.
Okay, I'm going to the lifeboat.
What's the lifeboat?
It's a boat.
Don't know what a lifeboat.
Oh, Zampic.
Oh, scary.
Oh, geez, I hate when it does that. Like, changes your camera angle like crazy. I'm in.
I want to get in.
Oh, Lena. Oh, you're on. Let's go. Let's go, mans.
We're gonna die. 'cause of you.
This is insane.
We're all gonna die 'cause of you.
I'm following the shark.
No!
They're gonna kill us.
Jax, you're supposed to run away.
Fine, I will, but like, I want to hit it.
You want to try to get on the island?
We can't though. It's like blocked off. Like what? Oh, there's the sharks.
Then get on!
Oh, that goes a rocket launcher. I'm coming after you, buddy. Boom!
Jackson!
Oh my gosh! I lost my
You
legs.
died.
I lost my legs.
I'm-
Oh, the guy picked me up. Thank you. Thanks for picking up this legless man.
I see the shark. I literally saw
Spectate
it.
the shark and tell me where he is. Oh my gosh, yeah, you can see.
Look at him.
Go hit it. I'm gonna say hit it. Hit it. Oh yes. Hit him. No, hit him, not pass
Get
him.
out the bus. Oh my.
With the boat,
No.
not your rocket launcher.
Oh yes.
Hey, there's a Titanic.
With the rocket launcher, Jackson.
Oh! No. Don't hit the... This guy's an idiot.
Why? What did he say?
He was going towards the Titanic, so I thought he thought that I said to hit the Titanic with the boat.
Hit it off the moon. Why am I not watching the shark?
Oh, pick up that bacon man.
Hit it off the moon.
Oh, he's gonna kill it.
Oh my gosh! Stop killing the shark. He's crying.
He's gonna kill it. Kill the dang thing.
Dude, God.
Here. Oh, why am I not doing anything? Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh! Death.
The shark has been killed.
Let's see my name up there. Woo! Oh, yeah.
I
Lena,
died.
where's your name?
I died.
Oh!
Big
I
one.
totally knew that. Okay, guys. Well, I think we're going to have to end the video here. So, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button,
And ring that bell.
and we'll see y'all next time. Bye!